Hola, good morning, everybody. How are you? Welcome, buongiorno. Okay, so what we've got? Well, we've got our long from yesterday from down here, which we have been in for a while, which is fine. Very good, very nice. Thank you very much. It came? I don't have the. Let me just see if I can find my actual. Yeah, here it is. Huh, huh. So we got it from here. It mucked around and it came back through it again, but it was basically the same trade. The trade would have been long here, daily open, and your stop loss goes there, and you're targeting up here, which is where we are now. Okay, so what do we got? Well, it looks like we've got a nice 5-wave movement coming up here, and that could be attached to two things, and that's what I want to talk about this morning. Is it could either be this bang, 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 and we'll probably stop there, and then we're going to reverse, and we're going to come back, and that is correcting this structure here. I haven't actually looked what that would be as far as a so it'd be like a fourth wave if that's the case. So that's your bearish continuation signal. And on the very small time frames, if you drop down to 6, you've probably not completed the fifth wave yet. And the reason I put this gold box around here is because I want to. The possibilities are to either short here, it just pops over wave 3, or it comes to its full extension up there. And we've had 62 marked out for a while. However, there's also this possibility that we come up, we short one of these and we come back into this 786 618 boundary, but this all needs to be done, and it's a lot for London to do, so I don't think it will happen. So we've got NFP today, so it's the big jobs data coming in today at 1:30 UK time. So this will move the market very much, and that'll be our main driver for trades today. London might not do a whole bunch until then. We are coming into a little possible scalp here. I don't know. I think if it's worth taking, it's just because it would be a scalp from here. Your stop loss needs to go here, and you're only really targeting TP1 is here. It's a 1.4 TP. If you get there, you get 1.6. Still not ideal. Anyway, it might be worth it. You could pack your stop loss at the daily open, because if we come through there, then this is probably something else. Do I think this is 3 waves and we're coming down for 5? Possibly, if you measure that to that. But we have hit the 1.618, and we do have volume. So that would suggest to me that this is a wave 3 of something, not a completed ABC. So yeah, the levels haven't really changed all week because we've been sat in this entire range since last Thursday. So yeah, so I'm continuing to hold long up into here somewhere. I'm not sure whether I want to add to this, depending on the timing and how I see. Whether I add here or not, because obviously this could just get funky and do that, and then that's that, and then this is a 1-2. That could that be a 1-2? I don't think that can be a 1. Well, it's not come deep enough, I don't think. Sorry, I haven't checked that. Naughty of me. Where's it come to? Oh, yeah, not bad actually. See, that's a nice retrace for a wave 4. A little bit extended past the 0.5, but it's I don't think it's a 1-2 because this 1-2 is would be too big compared to this one, I think. The one thing it could be, though, is it could be we could have had a 1, 2, that's all 3, this is 4, and that's 5 of the third. And so instead, you're going to get 1, 2, 3 up here, back for 4, 5. Anyway, I like the idea of a long at some point. I like the idea staying long. I don't really see that there's I'm not seeing a whole bunch of let's have a look at the magic things. This is the magic things. These are the magic things. We do have we do have a lot of red dots. Cipher down the bottom here. Nice cup of coffee just brought to my desk. But I do like the fact that 30-minute money flow is still going up, guys. Let's have a look on the 12-minute. Curling down. 6 minutes punching back up again. All right, inconclusive, I think, on here, if I'm honest with you. I don't go on dots, really. Just think it's fairly inconclusive. So yeah, that's my thought process. I still think that we're possibly long. However, shorting one of these two boxes may be a good thing later on today. Let me just get rid of that because it does clutter things up. I'll just take that off. Because we have to remember that we may also have this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we took out A. We took it out both sides. I don't like that as I've got to say I don't like that as a corrective. I like the idea we came down with loads of volume and we've now moved away and we're building above 60,000. We start dropping below 60,000 and I think that we're probably back in trouble. But as long as we hold this kind of shelf here, then I don't see any reason to get out your longs. I really don't. Obviously, if we come below here, that is very bearish. And like we come below here before taking this out, that would be bearish for me. And you'd be looking for any, if we suddenly did this, you'd be looking for any retrace to get short again and come down. So there you go. That's my thoughts this morning. Have a nice day. I'm in the Discords. Lots of love. Taddy buys.